Sylvia, as you already know that what is cloud and what are the main things in cloud and what are the advantages of cloud. These topics I've discussed today, like these four topics, like Salesforce is a cloud computing technology and CRM application, and some advantages of Salesforce, and how to create new org. Hope you know this, right? The last one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe you maybe have a little bit in touch with all these things. So if you go
Mm-hmm.
for cloud computing, what is cloud computing? So generally, I'm telling you, there are several cloud computing technologies and several cloud computing apps that we already see in daily use, like Gmail of Google product, right? So
Yeah.
there will be a username and password that will be we can log in anywhere from the any part from the world, right? So
Mm-hmm.
so the same way here also Salesforce have like a username and ID is provided for us. Username and password is provided for us so that we can open it anywhere, right? So mainly cloud computing in the sense it's like it's a cloud that the servers are maintained by the server Salesforce itself at some place, right?
Mm-hmm.
So actually, there is no. If you go for a company like if you go for Java or .NET, we have to maintain some servers here, and we have to access and we have to maintain all those things, right? So, but if you
Mm-hmm.
go for in the Salesforce, there is no need to maintain all those servers. The Salesforce itself will maintain and allot some spaces which are called as orgs, ORGS.
Yeah.
So those are called as arcs. Will give some space for us to to save and to do something in that to save something in the cloud itself, right?
Yeah.
As we see in the Gmail, the same feature. I
Yeah.
mean the same functionality we can see in the Gmail. Like if you go for Google Drive, there will be they are giving 15 GB space for us free, like for our users. So in the same way, here also they will give some. If you go for developer edition, as you already created with like this, right? Developer.force.com. You created one org, right?
Yes, I did.
So you can do it. That edition is called developer edition. That is the free edition that we are getting from the Salesforce. So it
Mm-hmm.
gives some space, a free space for us to use and to know what is Salesforce and to access the Salesforce.
Yeah.
So, and what is CRM application? Here, nowadays, CRM application is widely used. I mean, it's in very small organizations. Sorry, in very small organizations itself, we are using CRM applications. So, like in large, very large, and also small, in every sector, we are using the CRM application. Hope you know the CRM applications, right?
Yeah.
Do you know it or not? No need. I will give a small introduction regarding the CRM application. And the CRM application is already inbuilt. This CRM application is already inbuilt in our Salesforce org. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll have here we use some terminology called objects here. So one second. So CRM application. So generally, this is a cyclic process that we find in all business. Like first one is marketing, second one is sales, third one is services. So if you go for any business, so if you go for any business these three sectors, I mean these three process will goes right. We will see in every business, right?
Yeah.
So first one is marketing, next one is sales, and the final one is services, right?
Yeah.
So if you go for marketing, so how it is built in Salesforce, like if you go for marketing, what are the objects that you already know in marketing? There are certain objects that we store. I mean, certain business process will goes on. First, what will happen? Some campaigns will be conducted by the company. So if you go for any, like I'm taking one example, let it be Dell company. So or any so let it be Dell. So they want to sell or they want to market their Dell laptops, right? First, they will conduct some campaigns in the shopping malls or any it may be the campaigns may be of different types. So field field work, they will do some field work going to shopping malls and creating some campaigns, or through web, or through mail, or through any internet, any internet features. So through websites, or through mailing, or through somewhat these are like advertising in the television. So these are different kinds of campaigns that we found in the marketing part of a CRM application. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's the first one. So and the second step is, so they will create some leads by using these campaigns. So from the campaigns, they will generate some leads. So leads are nothing but, so if the people are interested, like if the customers are interested, so they are not the full-fledged customers. They are interested to buy
Prospects.
their laptop. Yeah, yeah. They just have some. So if you go any field campaign, so if the guys are there at the field campaigns, so those people, I mean the customers who want to buy the product will take certain knowledge, certain accept from the this Dell marketing guys. So these Dell marketing guys will take all those information from those customers, and they will enter as each one as a lead. Okay. So and at the end of the day, they submit to their superior, right? So
Yeah.
I mean to the Dell company. So here in this way, the leads will be entered in our CRM application. So and the next one is, so the next process what will happen, and in the cyclic process what will happen is, so there will be certain interaction between the Dell company and the those leads. So having some uh, wide wide discussions between them. So if they are interested to buy that product, or if the customers uh, or the leads are interested to buy their product, they are converted into accounts, right?
Yeah.
Right? Is it?
Yes.
So if these
Yeah.
leads are interested to buy the product, they are converted into leads, accounts,
Mm-hmm.
by creating some opportunity for them. Opportunity is nothing but, so if this account, nothing but, so if I am there, let it be customer for Dell. So if I was interested to buy that product, automatically they will convert me an account from a lead. So I'm a lead now. So if I'm interested to buy this product, Dell laptop, so I need some 100 Dell laptops. So they will convert me into account by creating an opportunity. Opportunity is nothing but, so I need 100 laptops for this time. Okay. So this 100 they will create an opportunity with my account name, with the name 100 laptops. So my company had several branches in Hyderabad or Bangalore in different areas. So for each branch, they will create a single contact with the name of me. So here,
Yeah.
one account may have, like my company may have several contacts.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
So here an opportunity is created. So and also the contract will be done between me and the particular Dell company. So here some of the objects like forecast, one more object will be there, one more concept. So forecast is nothing but, so in the future how many laptops do I need for me? So that comes under forecast. Contract in the sense, for how many years I have to supply. I mean, Dell company have to supply their Dell laptops for me for how much cost, like that. Everything will be there in this contract. So in this way, the sales process will goes on in the CRM application, and the final step is the service. So in the service, so if you
Cases.
got any problems, yeah, you are right. So there will be cases raised for us, and for those, the solutions will be provided, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this generally this is the CRM application that we find. So the people don't know the terminology, what is all the things, but everybody know what is this, right? So the structure, I mean, the marketing, sales, and services, everything, every business, like every small business, will do it without knowingly. Okay,
Okay.
right?
Sham, could I just ask you, like, would I be getting this recording at some point? Would I be able to get that?
Oh, you need some recording?
I was just wondering, like, if it would be better to have something.
Yeah, yeah. Just I will confirm with Suresh garu. Suresh garu, are you recording it? Hello, hello. Suresh garu, can you hear him? I
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
hear
yeah,
him.
I can hear you. Uh,
One second. Hi, Suresh garu. Are you able to hear me? Hello. Wait for a while. Sridhar, I just called him and asked. So that
okay,
he will
that's fine.
not recording. I will make him to record. So just this is the basic CRM application that you know, Sridhar, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. No issues. He will record it. Hope he's doing it. Hello.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. Are you doing record చేస్తున్నారా? Are you doing recording? Yeah, sir. He's doing it. No issues. No issues.
Okay, cool.
Oh, fine. Fine. Okay. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. So just I'm giving, hope you know everything, but I'm giving some introduction regarding what is cloud computing, what is, yeah. So now going for advantages, Sridhar. So
hmm,
mainly, uh, as we already discussed that
there's no hardware, no software.
yeah, no hardware or no software, anything. Just we have a Chrome with,
Hmm.
I mean, a laptop with internet facility and with a Chrome or any browser. It is enough for us to access our Salesforce or our Salesforce all over the world,
Yeah,
in anywhere from any part of the world, right? So that is the
yeah,
first basic
and
advantage that we had in this with the Salesforce.
yeah, it's mobile as well. Sham, just give me 1 sec, yeah, please.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yeah, I'm okay now. Yeah, thanks.
Oh, fine, fine. Okay, that's the main advantage that we had with the Salesforce, and the second one is like there is a lot of security that Salesforce will provide for us. So if you examine or if you observe that in the Salesforce while we are accessing the Salesforce, so there will be a lot of links will be sent to our mail that we are accessing, and or that the Salesforce will send a lot of messages or mails like accessing code to our mail or mobile, right?
Yeah,
So that is the security level that we have externally provided with the Salesforce. Like before logging itself, it's giving us a lot of security for us. So it will
mm,
gives you like so if you are logging at the first time with any system or with any LAN options, like with any internet options at a new place, so it will ask for you a like 6 digits or 5 digits code that will be sent to your mail, or if you are
mm,
registered with your mobile number also, it will send a code will be sent to your mobile, right?
yeah,
So in this way, a lot of security it's providing, and internally when we go with the servers also, it's providing a lot of security there itself with the database. If you go for like in a database terminology, I'm telling you. So there will be
Yeah.
no collapsing of the data with the other companies or with the other orgs that are there with the Salesforce. So a lot of security and a lot of shells. So just if you think org, do you know what is org, Sridhar?
It's like an organization, right?
Yeah, not so just a basic example I will tell you. So if an apartment is there or any or town city like a big apartment is there, so a
Yeah.
plot will be there. If I buy a plot, that is like in an apartment a plot is there. So in the same way, Salesforce servers are there. An org is there that is called. So comparison here is org with plot and apartment is Salesforce server. So a part in the
Mm.
database. So nothing but, so I'm buying that org. I'm buying some area first for me to use. All right.
Mm.
That
Yeah.
that is called org. You are you told that that's right. No issues. Technically it's called organization only, but the main here is that whole is called as org. Okay.
Mhm.
And
You know that
so
five-digit code you were talking about, like security.
yeah.
Is that like, can I call the same as like a security token, or is it a
Yeah.
different?
No. Security token is different. So that's comes with when you are integrating with the third party tools or any doing. So that's the different from this. So
Mm.
that security token is. So do you know the data loader?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So when you are logging into data loader, you are using some reset, some security token with your password, right?
Yeah.
The password is password plus security token. So
Oh
that
yes.
is different. This security code is this to enter into the Salesforce. That is different to integrate with the other third-party tools.
So,
For some third-party tools, it will be required. So if you go for Eclipse, security token is required. Did you ever integrate your Salesforce org with Eclipse?
yes, I did.
Yeah, in that areas you need some security tokens.
Yeah.
All right. So that is security token is different from security code.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, so this is also one type of security that's providing with the Salesforce. So here
Mhm.
providing some like security token is like 18 digits or 20 digits, like 20 letters are which contains alphabetic and also numbers combination will be there. But here for security code only numbers will be there from 0 to 9.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. And the next advantage here is already a CRM application is inbuilt in our Salesforce that I already explained you.
Yeah.
And then one more thing is like
It's
yeah,
it's
here we
mobile
find
as
an
well.
yeah. Okay. So here so we can access our Salesforce technology with the mobile that is called Salesforce One that is newly introduced, right? I mean, so
Mhm.
it's
Yeah.
coming up in the coming days. Like it's already there, but it's not in use. So nowadays a lot of things happening with the Salesforce one also. So
Mhm.
next one is like one more thing is so there will be internal security also in the organization that is provided with the Salesforce. And one more main advantage is App Exchange. Do you know App Exchange, Sridhar?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, that's a very important concept. That as you find Play Store in our mobile, the
Yeah.
same thing, App Exchange. That is nothing but there are some uh, like managed managed apps already will be there
Yeah.
in the App Exchange that we can download and we can use or we can integrate with our Salesforce app, right?
Yeah.
So the main one more big advantage for the Salesforce is App Exchange.
Like,
So
as part of your working, like in your workers, would you use any apps from App Exchange?
Yeah, yeah, Google, one Google Maps and CTI applications we use. We integrate the CTI adapter and also we integrate with Google Maps. So in account one address is there. So I do want to show
Yeah.
the Google Map integrated with that. And we also use,
Uh,
we try to use sending a message to mobiles, but actually at last the customer don't require it. We just opt that. And there are and QuickBooks also we just try to integrate for the future things. So for the upcoming project we are using QuickBooks
did you
to
say
integrate
quick books?
QuickBooks. Yeah, QUICABOOKS. So that's totally a finance module for any
Oh,
ERP application. Yeah, yeah. So like ledger entries,
I have
ledger.
some idea of it. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Those entries will
Debit
be
what comes
happen
in,
in the yeah,
credit goes out.
yeah. So in ERP application, those ledger entries will be entered as each entry in the in those QuickBooks. So it's a totally automated process in the finance.
Okay.
Okay. That's what. Sridhar. And one more thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how to create org, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and also we have to know what are the different editions and what are the different uh, what are the different editions that are available with the Salesforce. Developer
Yes. Yes.
edition, that is a free edition,
Yeah.
and if you go for
Yeah.
enterprise, unlimited, we have to buy this with the Salesforce. So
Yes.
basically, they will give some features when we buy with like if you go for enterprise, they will give some
Yes.
features. And
Yeah.
here the calculation of amount will be totally depends upon the user based. So for user, you have to pay something to the Salesforce, right? So if the user increases, you should pay the extra fee. So,
Mm.
so if you need an extra feature, like if I want to create some under 10 objects which already gave, I mean, which Salesforce already gave to me. If I need to create 10 more, like if I need to add some more 10 objects, custom objects, so I have to buy from Salesforce those
Yeah.
10 space for 10 objects. So in this way, the pricing will be, so there will be several discussions with the Salesforce with us. So it creates a platform, like there will be a platform a bit for further communication with Salesforce and us, and we can add some more features or we can take away some features. So this is all business in between Salesforce. Not only some, I mean, there will be no like cut off for extending our features. Like we can add few more we can add like that by paying to the Salesforce.
Mm.
So in this case, they may allow. So if we are like in this case, they may provide for free also for sometimes. So if we do some find very good business with them, they'll use some features for free. In this way, like it's a business, totally a business to them. That's what
Yeah.
the main thing I want to
Some
say.
of the charity-based organizations they get some licenses
Yeah,
free.
yeah, very free. Like in UK, it's going on now. Actually,
Yeah.
in the UK and US itself, it's going on. I already heard it with my friend who is in UK. Like he already told me he tried to create an app for a charity-based company. So providing like he want to do some business. There are a lot of people who are doing some good business like this, right? In UK.
Yes. Yes.
I know,
Yes.
I
They
know.
are.
I heard once.
Yeah. I mean, over here you do have like a lot of charity-based organizations,
Yeah,
and like in the past couple of years,
yeah,
most of the charity-based organizations, because Salesforce is free and they have seen the advantages of it,
yes,
like people are shifting to Salesforce.
yes, yes. And also government projects also are shifting to Salesforce. I heard totally the government is shifting to the Salesforce itself, right?
I don't know about the government.
Yeah, yeah.
I definitely know about
It's
the
happening. I think it's happening in a few days. And when compared to US and India, it's very good in UK nowadays.
Mm.
This Salesforce is very good. If within a fraction of second you are getting a call for for an experienced guy. If you upload a resume now, so within a fraction of seconds, like within 5 minutes, you are getting a call. That's how the
All right.
market is, right?
Mm.
Yeah, yeah, I
Mm.
know.
I'll let you know probably like a few more months down the line.
Oh, okay. So, oh, okay, fine. Uh, that's all for it for today, Sridhar. We can
Yeah.
go in deep, like we can start our concepts from tomorrow. First, I will go with admin. And so, did you decide anything like how to go like with admin development? How?
Yeah, I was thinking about it. Like, I don't know if Sham is listening to the conversation. At some point, we will be talking about the price, right? Like, what if I go for classes for admin? What if I go for only developing? Uh,
All right, no, that okay. Uh, okay, you actually discussed with Suresh Garu so that he will provide all the details about pricing and how many. I already told him how many hours, right? And also mentioned you, right, 45 to 50 hours like that. So in
yes,
this
yes.
discussion, we will have whole admin and
Mhm.
also like development for 25 days. And
Mhm.
also I will give introduction regarding deployment and also and the final one integration that we won't find in the market nowadays. So actually they are providing, but it's a totally different package. They are giving for 5 to 10 days, and they are costing. The cost is also like 50 to 70 pounds as so in Indian currency. I'm telling you. So
Okay.
it may be higher, little bit like up to 100 pounds also in some cases. That's what for this I am providing with a free like package for you. No issues, right?
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just thinking like once Suresh tells me the prices, I'll just let you know whether I could if I could jump on straight onto development side.
No
I hope
issues.
that's okay with you, right?
Oh, fine, fine. No issues. Okay.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I mean no disrespect to you. The only thing is,
Mm-hmm.
as I said, like I do have some knowledge about this already. Yeah,
Okay,
where
fine.
and when like I'm pretty sure I'm hoping if I have a doubt in admin,
Okay.
you would just clarify it,
No issues.
and then that should be the case, and I'm hoping that
Okay.
would be the
One
case.
more thing is here you should have to do as this is just a training session, right? So this is
Yeah,
not a like I will give some real-time examples also from my side. That's for
yeah,
sure.
hmm,
So you
yeah,
should do some critical uh, work. I mean, critical knowledge you have to get from say from the net or any from any other sites that you have
hmm,
to do from your side
yeah,
because we don't have any real time. So doing some real time project is different from learning here. So I will provide my real time scenarios to you that may be
hmm,
up to some extent only. So
hmm,
my main theme is what I'm telling is you must concentrate on critical knowledge that you have to do if you go for interviews. So what are the questions that may fire and that what are the questions they may ask. You have to check with that. That's the main thing you have to do. And also
yeah,
you have to be a book holic or any web holic you have to be, so that it will
okay,
give you a lot of knowledge for you with the Salesforce. If you do your
hmm,
work from your side, it will be easy for me and for you also.
yeah,
All right, fine. I
okay,
mean, don't stick what I told.
yeah,
I mean, don't stick up to what extent I taught you. Uh,
hmm,
keep keep updating and keep. I mean, try to learn the next things also. That's what my first suggestion I'm going for here.
okay,
I may teach, like I may stick to a single word. I may stick up to 10% only. You have to reach up
Mm.
to 100, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, fine. Okay. Okay. Suresh Garu, are you there with us? Hello. Hello, sir.
Okay, maybe he's offline. I don't know if it's possible for him to send the recording. That would be great.
Sure, sir. One second. Actually, I'm calling to his mobile. So,
Okay.
you please provide your contact details to Suresh Garu so that